Hear that? That sounds like home. Now this is a little bit of a different video than what I normally post on this channel, but I thought I'd share my recipes with you. This is an authentic Peruvian dish known as a Lomo Saltado, a recipe made by yours truly. It's an extremely popular fusion dish that mixes Chinese stir-fry tradition with Peruvian ingredients. Now aside from some of the veggies I've shown you here, some other ingredients include condiments such as, of course, salt. Yes, I know there's salt packets, but bear with me, I am poor and in college. Some ground black pepper, some cumin, some Ajinomoto seasoning in a Ziploc bag for some reason, and some Goya sazon con culantro y echote. This gives it that orange coloring that Lomo Saltado has. Now let's not forget the most important ingredient, soy sauce. Now a secret ingredient that surprises some people is some Coors Light beer. Now we only need a little bit of this, so don't go too crazy. Of course, extra virgin olive oil. And now here are our veggies, all cut up and ready to be placed. We'll start off by cutting and seasoning our sirloin steak with salt, pepper, a very small pinch of cumin, and the Ajinomoto seasoning. Now remember, it's recommended not to wash your meat or poultry before cutting it. Next, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil inside a large pan on high heat. Then we add the sirloin steak, a little bit of soy sauce, and begin stirring it. We're going to place the meat inside of a separate bowl to avoid drying it out. This leaves us with a combination of the meat and the soy sauce juice in the pan. And then we add our vegetables. Half a tomato, half a red onion, a little bit of that packet of Goya sazon, more soy sauce, and just mix it up a little bit. Then we're going to add some green and red bell peppers. And then here comes that special Coors Light beer. Now remember, just a small dash. Some more soy sauce, and you're going to start mixing it until the tomatoes have released some of their juices, but are still intact. Then we're going to add back our sirloin into the pan. Add a little bit more of Goya sazon food coloring. Just a little bit more of Coors and soy sauce. And then we're going to add our scallions, our cilantro, and then we're going to stir it up. Make sure as you go on you give it a little taste test to make sure it's not too salty because of the soy sauce. You also want to make sure that the meat maintains its juiciness. Add cut french fries last in order to avoid the sogginess and stir gently. Serve it with white rice and you've got yourself a hearty entree. Easy and homemade recipe made by yours truly. I hope you enjoyed the video and let me know if you want more recipes for my family. Enjoy!
Sabiendo que te amaba, me pagaste mal. Sabiendo que te amaba, me pagaste mal. Sabiendo que